A class was asked to simplify 4 expressions containing indices. These are the answers. So the answer is given here. Okay, so you can see answers. Write an expression they could have simplified in each case. So always remember, you already studied indices rules, right? So any number to the power 0 is always 1. So you can write 1 as x power 0 or a power 0. It must be an algebraic expression. Okay, it must be an expression, so the letter must be there. It's better to write letters. No, don't write 100 raised to 0. It is also 1, no problem, but here they are mentioning expression. Or you can write xy whole raised to 0. Everything refers to 1. Okay, the answer will be 1. So 1 you can write it as x raised to 0 or a raised to 0, like that. Then B is a raised to m minus n. When you will get indices as m minus n, when you divide it. Okay, so it is directly they have given the indices rule. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So what is a raised to m divided by a raised to n? It is same as a raised to m minus n. So you can write the expression like this. Then the next one, when you multiply, you can add the indices. So here it will become, for C it will become a raised to m times a raised to n. What is a? If you have multiplication, we will add the indices. So a raised to m times a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Okay, so the last one is a raised to mn. A raised to mn is a raised to m whole raised to n. If you have power and power coming together like this, we need to multiply the powers. Okay, so always remember, any number to the power 0 is 1. Then if you have division, but always make sure the bases must be same. Okay, here the bases are a, that's why we are subtracting the powers. If you have multiplication, here also the bases must be same, then you can add the powers or indices. Then power and power coming together means we will multiply the power. So a raised to m whole raised to n will become a raised to m times n. M times n is same as mn. Okay.